So let's jump right in, and before revealing what it was, let's run the playback. So let's start with what it wasn't. It was not the green cloud or the word spot. I know most of you might have been betting on them, but they won't it. Now let me tell you what it was, and most of you might be shocked at this, but it was the binoculars. When playing the spotted game, you guys gotta try to think outside the box. So now let's reveal our lucky winner. And our lucky winner is John Doe. Congratulations and thanks for being a part of the Lottery Geek community. So now let's see what cash prize you will win. John, congratulations to you again on winning the $500 cash prize, and you are the first big winner on the channel. Remember, John, email me so that I can get that sent out to you via PayPal, and you can find my information by going to my homepage and clicking the More button. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hey, don't worry, you can become the next winner in one of my upcoming game videos. So if you don't already, make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.